Saturday and I am getting ready to go to chapter meeting. I am running close. I don't want to be late because we do have to pay a fine if we're late. I need to get gas. I will show you what I'm wearing. Sorry I didn't show you what I was wearing yesterday. As you can tell, I was over it. But let's do that. Okay. So I'll share my outfit when I'm not rushing. There are several games, football games going on today, and it's raining. It's raining, so I don't know how that's going to go. One of them is in my daughter's college town. My husband's fraternity is going to go there and tailgate. I was going to go there just for tailgating because she's not going to sit with me in the stand, so I didn't see a need for me to go there and sit in the stands by myself. My husband won't be with me because he'll be with his fraternity brothers, and it'll just be me and my youngest just sitting there looking. So I'm thinking that, and I don't know, she's gonna come home tomorrow so she can do the ladies golf lesson with and I need to get her a dress and shoes for an event that she's going to. If I go to the town today, I'll take her the goods. If not, the youngest and I will fill in our time after my chapter meeting, depending on the weather, first of all. And then tonight, I have plans to go to the hip hop orchestra with a friend. Excited about that, super excited about that. So it's a fun-filled weekend. I just hope that my energy stays up to par and I don't back out of anything. But with this rain, I don't know. Well, I have a few minutes before I really need to be at the chapter meeting, but my gas tank is low. It's like on a quart of a tank, and I don't know why I let it get this low. Usually when it gets to a half a tank of gas, I go ahead and fill it up, but this week I did not stick to that by any means, and this feeling that I feel right now with my tank being as low as it is, I don't like that feeling. So that is the one reason why I love to just go ahead and fill up at a half a tank. I didn't do it this week, and I definitely know why I avoid that. So I'm going to try to hurry up and get some gas and go to the meeting. I just don't want to go in there late, and you know, everybody starts turning around looking at you, and then you got to pay your money because you're late. Yeah, and the gas lines are filled, but I see one. All right, talk to you in just a moment. Chapter meeting is now over. I had a little video phone with some of my chapter sisters, and now it's time to get ready for the rest of the day. Bye. It's passed, and my youngest and I, we ate wings. We watched Wednesday.
Did you say we ate Wendy's?
But that scared the crap out of me.
What? Me?
Because I thought you were in there.
Oh.
But we are getting ready to now get on the road and go to a game. We're not going to go to the game. We're going to tailgate. And I did change outfits. I have paraphernalia on without having it on. So I'm going denim on denim. I'm trying to see if I should hurry up and show you. But denim on denim, top, bottom. And then I just put on my sorority sweatshirt across my shoulders. If it gets really cold, I have something. But I also can represent at the same time. Gotta stop talking. Let's get on the road.
It's emotions. Look.
It's cheese.
They already in there. They didn't do it.
No, they're already in.
So I thought. Picture I thought.
tailgating is over. The game has started, but I can't stay because I have about an hour drive home to get dressed for the hip hop orchestra, and then I still have to travel to get to that. So I left the youngest with her dad, and now it's on for mommy time at the orchestra. All right, I've gotten dressed, but I don't have time to even show you a full outfit. But this is what I'm wearing to hip hop orchestra. This two-piece from H&M. I love it. It feels good. If it gets chilly outside, I can roll my sleeves down. And my shoes, I have this fun bow heel. And my bag is this cutie patootie clutch right here with the safety pin handle. Love it. This is my first time taking it out on a spin. That is the outfit. I gotta go. My girlfriend's waiting on me. Snuck my camera in. I'm just coming to say hello. Y'all, this is everything. I'm telling you. To church. Right, our moment of golfing is upon us. My oldest is driving us to the course, and I am coming out front to meet the girls so we can get this golf lesson going. I got to show you what me and baby girl are wearing. All right.
And show everybody a nice little routine. It's going to be just the basics of...
We are having so much fun. I have to take a break and come and get my water. But my girls are enjoying themselves. The Golf Pro is really good. The day is beautiful. It's not too hot out. It's manageable. If we don't know anything about golf, I'm gonna tell you, me and the girls, we came dressed for golf. We're having a good time.
So what the whole purpose of the ladies clinic is, we want to convert everybody to golfers. Now, there is a thing, these shots more in the future of, first, so you start...
How was your golf lesson?
It was good.
You think you'll do it again?
Mm-hmm.
Good.